What, you want to see me and my dogs? Come on.
I'm trying to get out there.
You tough? Look at her. She's ready for you.
Oh shit!
Oh,
look! Come look at this. Hey, hold on.
Hey,
Come look at this. Hold on. Before anything.
Come on.
Hell no.
Come on, come out here. Come out here. Look at this black one. This motherfucker is the most blackest bitch I ever met. I swear this bitch is really black and she's ghetto.
Hey, look.
This bitch is ghetto. Look.
Come look at this.
Come on.
Come look at this. Look. Wait. Look at his eyes.
Sit back there. Sit down.
You seen that shit?
Sit down. Sit down. Both of you bitches sit down. Hey, you sit your ass down. Mama, sit down. Hey, shut your motherfucker. Lay down now. Now you gotta lay. Hey, now you gotta lay down. Hey, lay down, I said. Lay your ass down.
That's how you do it.
My dog want to listen.
Hey, your dog want to see my dog, homie? These dogs stay fighting. Look at their ears. Look at this. We just stay fighting, killing each other. These are some pit bull fighting dogs for free.
Look at his eyes. You want to do something crazy, bro?
You want to get your pits? Bring your fucking pits. I got $100.
Look.
Like my pit
Look.
will take your pit to a beauty pageant and win.
Where's he at?
It's a she.
Look, right there. Where the you look away when I'm about to show you. Look.
Whoa. Zombie eyes. Whoa, look at Vicious too. They're glowing. Look at Mamba.
Hey, what kind of shit are you running here? What kind of dogs are these, huh?
These are chemically impound dogs.
They're fucking technical. They're machines, huh?
That's coolant.
That's why you can't even cross the country, you know, because it's metal detected, huh? Beep, 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 start beeping. Can it travel?
That was good.
Because of the dog's eyes and shit.
You can't go to the state because of metal detector.
Ah, this nigga is stupid. Because they're made of steel.
But they got big metal detectors at every state.
For these dogs. You stupid, nigga.
Hey, get that shit out of my face, man. Oh.
Nigga said metal detector. For them to go through.